Hello everyone, I hope you all are fit and fine. So today, let's make this healthy, nutritious and super delicious ragi and boiled rice laddu. Nashne आणि उकड्या तांदळाचे लाडू. And the best part is, they are very easy to make. Let's get started. I have got this boiled rice nicely washed and sun-dried for an hour. You can even dry it under the fan. We'll transfer this rice to a pan and dry roast it on a low flame until it turns golden brown. Keep stirring it continuously so that the rice gets roasted evenly. You can see our rice has turned golden brown now. I'll take it off the heat and transfer to a plate. This rice has completely cooled down now. We need to grind this rice into fine powder. Look at this. It's okay if it stays a little coarse, should not be a problem. I'll leave it aside. Now in a pan, add 2 teaspoons of pure ghee. I'll be using 12 almonds, 12 pistachios and 6 cashews. You can use the nuts or dry fruits of your own choice. Let's roast them nicely on a low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can see cashews have started to appear light brown. I'll remove them from the pan and let them cool down completely. In the same pan, I am adding half a cup of ragi or nashni flour. Let's roast this flour on a low flame until it turns aromatic. Ragi flour is nicely roasted now and even smelling flavorful. I'll take it off the pan. I've pounded all the nuts to get this coarse nut powder. It becomes too fine in a blender, hence I have pounded them. If you wish to, you can even blend it. Now, we need to add half cup freshly grated coconut into a mixer jar and blend it without adding any water. So this is coarsely ground freshly grated coconut. Now in a pan, add 1/4 cup water and 1 cup finely cut jaggery. You can increase or decrease jaggery quantity as per your taste. On a low flame, let this jaggery completely dissolve. Keep stirring it continuously. You can see jaggery has completely melted. Now add ground coconut. We need to cook this coconut with jaggery for about 2 to 3 minutes. By cooking coconut instead of using raw, we can store laddus for a little longer time. So after 2 to 3 minutes, you can see coconut and jaggery have come to a nice boil. Now add ground rice flour, roasted ragi flour, pounded nuts and 1/4 teaspoon crushed cardamom or cardamom powder. Mix all this really quickly and turn off the flame immediately. If you leave this mixture on a flame for longer time, laddus will become hard. And at the end, I'll add 2 teaspoons of pure ghee and mix well. You can completely skip ghee at this stage if you wish to. I'll let this mixture rest for a while. Grease your palms with some ghee and we need to start binding laddus when the mixture is still warm. You need to be really quick with this process since the mixture tends to harden as it cools down. So this way, bind laddus of a lemon size maybe. This healthy and nutritious ragi and boiled rice laddus can be a great option for kids' lunchbox also. So this way, our laddus are all ready. Keep them in an airtight container once they completely cool down. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the recipe and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.